Goals provides you freedom of repeating the lectures to revise the chapters. How this help you in clearing your concepts in theory subjects?
I think one of the key characteristics of goals is that it provides the archive facility. So I think because I was a regular law student at the National Law University, I didn't really have a lot of time to attend regular classes. So seeing the archives helped me understand concepts, and I could play it as much as I wanted. Plus the short notes provided by the faculty members helped me understand concepts very well. So I got those printed and I made my own notes over those notes. So I think that really worked for the theory subject.
How online coaching help you understand and practice practical subjects?
I had a fear of practical subjects, and especially subjects like financial management. And I think tax also to an extent has that practical conceptual understanding of law, as well as the ability to apply it. So I think the key to clearing the tax paper is making your own notes and making sure that you understand the practical concept very well, and that you understand the ideology behind that. So I think it's more than just having a methodical way of solving a particular answer. It's something more than that. It's about the ability to understand why we arrive at a particular step and why we conclude it in a particular way. And I think that will help us even solve questions which are new to us in the examination center. So I think that will help one not get flustered and not get very panicky in the exam, because you know what the concept is behind that particular question. And I think for tax, it's very essential to solve a lot of questions, especially the previous year questions, because I think that will give you the right strategy, and that will help you prepare better and solve a pool of questions. So I think that's very important for practical subjects and even for financial management. Learning at our disposal. So I think the key to clearing these professional exams is learning your own mistakes and improving upon those, and of course making improvements in your strengths as well. And I think having goals as an online learning medium can truly help one understand the right learning style and help in improving learning and concepts in a far more comprehensive manner. So I think the key to it is a sense of inner consciousness in terms of regulating how we behave online and how we make use of this online platform. So I think my message to all of you would be to make the best use of this wonderful medium, and I wish you all lots of good luck in all your future endeavors. Thank you. It takes a lot of inner consciousness to log in the online platform at the right time and be in the right environment to study. So I think goals in that sense provided me the right balance of assisted learning and self-study, which is something that helped me a lot. I think the video-based training gave me an in-depth knowledge of all topics, and not just the topics but the subtopics and various sections of company law, and even the practical knowledge that I gained from those VBTs.